Hello guys, today we will talk about cloud builders and we will see how we can use these cloud builders. So basically like cloud builders are like container images with like common languages and tool installed in them. So like we already used cloud builder in one of my previous video. So cloud build also provide us and pre-built images that we can use in our config file to execute our tasks like Docker image, G-Cloud image, and many more images which we can use. So like Google like cloud build also maintain these all images, and even if you want some another image, like you can use community contributed builders also. So in that there's a developer community which provides like open source builder which we can use to execute our task, but we have to make sure like they don't provide any image, they just provide the code. So we can download the source code from their like GitHub repository, and then we can build image. So like you want to create image from your Kubernetes, or you want like Helm charts and like many more things are available. So we can use that image also, cloud builders also, like community one. And after that we have custom builders. So like you have a specific task which cannot be done by like cloud builders or community contributed builders. So even you can create your own image also. And so with the help of the custom builder, we can use a container image which has been created by us also, us only previously. And with the help of that image, we can pull that image and run our source code or any configuration we want to run, like any specific configuration which depends on our on that image in which all the configuration are there. We can use our custom builders. So there are some like list which of the builder images. So if you want to go with cloud builders, so these are like it provide BSL, Docker, Git, G-Cloud, GKE, Gradle, and many more. It provides many more images. You can figure it out which is required for you according to your requirement. And same if you go to community contributed builders. So we have Docker Compose, Packer for like we can use Packer to create machine image, Helm charts for we can use Helm Packer or pack, Canico. So multiple images are provided. Even if none of these images help you to execute your task, then we have the option of custom builders also. After that, even we can interact with Docker images. So it can be possible that your image is already present in some repository other than Google Cloud Container Registry. So we can pull and push images from that from them like Docker Hub also or any other repo also. So if you want to pull private images or if you want to push any image to your Docker Hub, so then you want to first we need to authenticate to Docker with our credentials. So to include Docker credential in our build, we must first store that all the credentials secret manager, and then we have to provide the permission to cloud build to access that secret from secret managers. So we will see how to do this. So I will try to push a image and push a image from my local to this my Docker. So with the help of cloudbuild.yaml, we will create a file and we will see. So let's do a demo and see what options we have. So here it is Cloud Builders community. You can go into this link and here you find all that images which is provided by community. There are multiple images, so you can take it anyone which you want to use. So just what you have to do, just clone this repo in your like git clone, and once it is cloned, just go inside this repo and go inside the folder in which you want to create an image. So like if I want to create an image for GitHub, so I will go to cd GitHub. Even if you do ls, you will find some files here already. So we have cloud build YAML also, Docker file also. So if I do get cloud build.yaml, so we can see what it is doing. It is just taking steps. Well, and the first step is it is taking Docker image. In that it is running this command build -t gciro project id github and dot means it will take the content from this Docker file. After that it is pushing this. So images means it is pushing this image to our like container registry, and it is adding a tag cloud builders community. So even if we get Docker file also, so we can see the what it is in the Docker file. So it is using a Debian image. After that it is running some command inside that. It is setting up the CLI version. After that it is running one more command. It is adding this and changing as make it executable that gear.bash, and it is creating an entry point. So we can see like what is happening. So if you want to, so this is only configuration provided by us to us. we cannot use directly. First of all, we have to create an image from this configuration. So as I have told you, you can just run command gcloud build submit. So if you want to, like, if you click right now, it will push this image to container registry. But if you want to push it to your artifact registry, you can provide a region also, or like this. After that, we can provide a tag. So this is my tag. So it is my artifact registry in which I have created repository GitHub. So inside that I have already have a image GitHub, and it is using tag 1. So let's create a new image and just put it tag 2, and we are just will push this. If you don't know how to create the repo, you can check out the previous part of this video and click on tag 2. I have to authorize it. So it is success. So I just updated this region. Before I have just forgot to update correctly. I'm using US Central 1, and before I've just typed US Central. So after that is success now. So we can see that image has been created. Now you can use the same image. So like this is the image name, and you can call this image in your cloud build YAML. So like if you have any configuration or any cloud build or like any file in which you want to use this image, you just provide this image name. So like if I go to cd test, so like this you can call this image here step. You can just provide your image name here. After that, I'm just providing a script that they git clone. I'm some cloning something uh, inside my container. So like this we can use this image. So first of all, we have to create this all the images which you want to use, and then you can use that image inside your cloud build your YAML to execute your task. With the same way, we can use a custom build also. In the custom build also, you must have a Docker file and cloud build YAML file which define the process. Once you created your image, you can just do the same thing. So mm, like this, we can use the cloud builder. So basically, it is already provided with so many of images. I don't think you must need a custom builder, but if you need, you can just create a new image with the help and then you can push that image to on your Docker or in your GCRIO or container registry. After that, you just call that. So now let's do one thing. Now we can try to use we can try to push image to our Docker public in my Docker repository. So first of all, we have to create a secret. Go to secret manager. So once we are in our secret manager, you have to click on create secret, and we have to provide a name. So I will provide like Docker username. After that, you have to provide a secret value. So like secret value is just what is your secret, like so my username is like cloud concepts for you, and just create a secret. Now create one more secret. Now we have to create a secret for password. So just give a name like Docker password and just provide a password here. So my both Docker username and password has been created. So now what we have to do, you have to click on just on this both of this. Go to show info panel, and you have to add your cloud build account here. Just click add principal, and if you go to your cloud build and go to settings, you will find out your like the service account name. So this is my service account name. So you have to just copy this and came here and add in the principals. After that, you have to like select a role. So you can select secret manager. It is already showing secret manager. So we can use secret manager, secret SSR role, and click on save. So we are providing like our like service account to access this secrets. So we are given permission to our service account. So even if you go in your settings also, you will find the secret manager. It is the same role. If you enable it for here also, so it will do the same thing. But the thing is that if you enable from here, it will access to has access to all of the secrets. So maybe it is like you have some other secret which you don't want to share with your secret with your like cloud build. So you can give that specific role to specific secret also by going into secret manager. So like we have done here. So we have provided that specific role to specific secrets. So though that's our cloud build don't access our all of the secrets which are present in our secret manager. Now that is done. Now we can what we can do. Let's create a new directory like secret. So from with the help of this document, you can check it out also. So what we can do, even we can pull images also, like with the help of this, and we can even push images to Docker Hub also. So what we are going to do, we have to provide a username. It will take the username from our environment variables, which we have already provided with the help of this, like username and all that. So we will have to provide a repo name. So like we can give it name secret, and it is version 1 and secret version 1. After that we have to provide project ID here. We can copy from here. After that we have to provide a secret name. So here the secret name docker username, and secret version, it is like version 1. So it can be multiple versions, so I will show you that also. And it is second option, and it is also version 1. So if you go inside our like docker username, you can get multiple versions of it. So as of now it is version 1. So just we can provide then 1 only, not version 1, it is 1. It is also 1. So it looks good to me. So we can what we are doing here. First of all, this is our first step. We are using a Docker image, and in Docker image we are using an entry point bash, and with the help of this argument -c, it means like we want to use this thing as a command. So we are first of all logging into our Docker with the help of username, and username it will take from in this secret which we have created, and this is our password from. After that we are again using Docker only. In that we are creating an image, so we are asking it to docker build -t username, and it will, this is our secret like repository name, and this is our tag, and dot means we have to provide a docker file also. After that we are again using same new image, and we are now pushing this image to our repository, and we are using secret environment username, and these are the environments which are present to us, like available secrets which are available to us. This is our password one which we are using here, and this is our username one which we are using here. So it will take this username from our secrets which we created. Create cloud build.yml. Now we will copy this. So we have created our cloud build.yml file. Now let's create. So I have already created a Docker file also. If I create cat Docker file, so it is a very basic Docker file. So what we are doing here, we are using Alpine image, and we are copying this quickstar.sh into our directory, and just running this command. So now let's build our image. Cloud build submit and hyphen region. Let's provide it to a central one. And after config cloud build.yml. So it has been success. So let's see what it has done. So first of all, like it is step 0, it is having this docker build that is using all this, and after that we can see we have logging succeed. So once it has logged into our like docker hub, after that it is using our docker file like from Alpine, it is using all that things. And after that, once it has created that image, after that it's just pushed that image to our docker hub. So like we can see, like it we can see the pushed instruction. So it has pushed that image, and after that we can see the success status. So if I go to my docker hub, as of now I don't have any repository, so I will just refresh my page. So we can see I have a secret which has been just pushed a minute ago, and if I go inside that, I have a image which has a tag version 1, and it is like Linux one, operating system in Linux, type of image, all that we have. And this is the instructions which we use. So it is a very small image, 3.24 MB. So we were just uh, mm, done our demo here. So this is our file which we have used, cloudbuild.ml. This is all we do, just log in. We after that, once succeeded, we build the image and push the image, and we are just using available secrets. So we are just calling the secret from the secret manager and using the secrets inside our like build steps. So you can even call like your pet token and like any other secrets also like this, and which you want to use while building your steps. Multiple things which we can done. So it is a very basic demo which we have seen here. And in the next video, we will just focus on like cloud build triggers. So we'll see how the trigger works and all that. So if you have any question, just comment it down. I will try to help you. Thank you.